Have you recently been solicited by a roofing company claiming to be authorized to check for damage after a storm? Storm chasers are roofing companies who visit neighborhoods recently impacted by a storm and its damage, whether from wind or hail. After a damaging storm, these contractors will go door to door and try to sell you roof repair services. These contractors know that local roofing companies are overwhelmed after a big storm comes through. They will use computer programs and their knowledge of insurance companies to estimate the repair cost before bidding to an unsuspecting homeowner. Typically, these contractors start the sales process by offering potential customers a free roof inspection. Here's how to identify storm chasers. Door-to-door salespeople. Be wary of anyone offering roof repair by going door to door. Sometimes these storm chaser contractors pretend to be from a local roofing company and claim to have performed previous work on the home or say that the previous roofer isn't in business anymore. Don't be fooled. Ask for proof of a valid license and a previous work order form. Often the roofing company is also just knocking on doors to drum up business, even if there hasn't been a storm in months. Upfront payment required. Many times, the storm chaser contractor will insist on full payment up front, especially in cash, to pay for materials. This is a sign to stay away. There is a good chance that if homeowners pay a storm chaser contractor in cash, they will never see them again. They will offer to pay the deductible. It is illegal for a roofing contractor to waive the homeowner's insurance deductible. It is considered insurance fraud. If homeowners let a contractor pay their deductible, they're putting themselves at risk for legal action. Make sure to examine your policy and local legislation regarding insurance fraud to avoid this trap. They cause damage during the free inspection. Storm chaser roofing contractors typically offer a free roof inspection, and these schemers will create damage if the roof's damage isn't enough to warrant extensive repair. Avoid it by listening and observing when a storm chaser is performing a supposed roof inspection. Fluctuating bids. There is a common roofing scam, also known as the elevator ride. In this scam, the contractor offers a low bid at first, knowing that the homeowner doesn't have much experience with roofing jobs. Eventually, lots of unexpected costs come up, such as discovering new damage or an increase in the cost of materials. However, reputable roofing companies won't do this to their customers. While material prices do go up sometimes, contractors usually get a few weeks' notice, meaning it shouldn't affect the accuracy of bids. Protect your home, family, and investment. Download the free Roof Buyer's Protection Kit, valued at $347 at lianro.com, or call our office today.